We are now starting our fourth skill, using data types to populate a worksheet. The first skill task is enter dates. You can insert in Excel three types of data. It will be either a text or a number, or you give references to different cells and construct a formula and enter it in a cell. So the three types of entries in a cell: text, number, or a formula. Text entries contain alphabetic characters or any other characters, non-numeric characters. The strength of Excel is its capability to calculate and analyze numbers based on numeric values you enter. For example, if you enter wrong numbers, you get the wrong calculations. For that reason, accurate data entry is crucial. So we will see data entry in this task. Dates are often used in worksheets to track data over a period of time, and dates can be in rows or columns. They can be sorted, they can be arranged in sequences, they can be used to develop graphs or charts, and there are different ways you can present date related data in Excel. In 2016, the default date format uses 4-digit for the year, and the date is right justified like a number. We will perform our task. We will be using the file in the students data folder. So let's go to the folder and open a file. From there, you have to open this file, this one, to Fabric and Sales. You have to open this file for this task. Double click on this, and we have the file open here. In cell B5, you type 1/4/2017 and press enter to go to cell B6. Enter 1/25/17, and you can notice that the difference that in the cell B5, 4-digit year was used, and here I have entered only 17. This text is available in your manuals. We are working on the skill task 020401. So please refer to your manuals. You can see that the default date format is 4-digit year. So you can see that although I entered only 17, but it is automatically converted to 2017. Current cell is B7. In this cell, we will type 1/23 and press enter. And you notice that it is automatically converted to 23 January. Click the cell again, this B7 cell. And in the formula bar, you can see the full complete date, 1/23/2020. So this is the current year, which if you do not specify the year, Excel recognize that date and month for the current year. We wanted to insert 2017. So let's go to this formula bar, click here, and change this year to 2017 and press enter. You can change it by using a key from the keyboard as well. Make this cell your active cell and then press F2 function key. When you press F2 function key, your insertion point will be at the end of the cell's content. You can edit your content, and then if you press enter, then the entry is made. We are now in cell B8, so let's put another date here. Now we are in B9, and let's write 2017 and then press enter. You can see the change. It has converted to 21 Jan 17. As I explained earlier, that when we insert any entry in a cell, two things are stored. One is the content of the cell that we have inserted, and the other thing is the format in which the content is inserted. Previously we saw in an exercise where we inserted a currency value and the cell stored the format for that. And here again, let me click on the B9 and you can see the cell format is date and then month and then year, and the month is a 3-letter word and the date and year both are 2 digits. Let me insert here a different date, 1/1/17, and when I press enter you can see that the format of the cell is retained, although I have changed the content. So the cell has stored the format of the date. We can go back, we can undo this last entry by using a keyboard combination Ctrl+Z, or you can use this undo button here in the quick access toolbar. You can leave the workbook open for the next exercise.